Alrighty folks, there are 2 more videos for the week. Let's see if I can get them done today. Pattern focus is where we want to go. And we want to scroll down to Flam. There's one by Alina Light. And let's see, where are we headed? So it looks like we're headed for this shape here. And in the middle of here, she does it with even more circles. She's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. She's got 12 here. Looks like you can do it with however many shapes, because it says variation here, variation and variation. So let's look at variation number 1. We're going to start with a triangle. Then put some little teardrops at the end of each arm. Aura that shape. Put some balls with a little fill in that spot right there. And then aura the balls and then aura the shape. Okay. Variation number 2 starts with this sort of a roundish square diamondy shape. Once again, put the little teardroppy loops on. Then aura, circles, aura the circles, and then aura the rest of it. And we can do this number, what's that, 5? With the loops, the aura, the dots, and the aura. And then like she did it here with 12. So she just did a whole bunch. She probably, because Alina does do a lot of mandala work, she usually uses a grid of some sort to plan out where she's going to do things. I'm just going to kind of go for it. And I'm going to make a big one, just like she did. I'm going to use my pink paper left over from yesterday, I think. That's what I want to do. Let me look at tomorrow's and see. No, I think I want tomorrow's on the big page. Alright, we're going to use the back side of the orange one. And I'm just going to do one right in the middle. Turn on my light. Get rid of all those shadows. I'm going to give myself some structure here for the middle. So I'm going to go across each corner. Oops, that's a little crooked. And in the middle, and in the middle, and then that would be 6. That's probably good enough. All right. So let's do that shape. Go in a little bit. I'm going to go about here. And I'm going to make okay, something like that. And then I'm going to put the loops on it. Like that. So far so good, that's easy. Now we want to aura the whole thing by making lumpy auras, right? Yeah, okay. Sort of just making a lumpy aura like that. Like that. Something like that. Then the next step is to do the circles and fill in So we want to do a circle here and fill this little corner in like that. Like that. So far so good. I'm on top of it here, right? Then I want to do an aura around each of these. You'll notice that I turn my paper so that I don't have to turn my hand funny. And then aura these. And that's the pattern. That's it. That's pretty simple. Tilt it up this way so you guys can see it good. I like that. I think I'm going to do something here in the middle. Maybe a little something like that. Give it something in the middle. I want that colored there. And I think I want something coming this way. That's not on the step out, but you know, once you have the basic shape, you can do whatever you want with it. And I've decided that I want a little something in there. I like that better. And I feel like I want to echo that shape that I did in the middle there out here somehow. Make a little teardrop and then a wiggle. Sort of a spermy shape, but that's okay. And I think I want to aura this again. Okay, and then maybe Maybe I'm done. Maybe some white will help. But I think I'm done. This one's Flam. F-L-A-M. Okay, I'm going to erase my pencil marks and then I'm going to add some white. Where's my white? Here. Needs to be sharpened. Use a lot of white. I think here. Like that. And I think here. And I think I want it here. Like that. And I think here. And then that'll be it. I like that. All right, simple. An easy one to do. Look at there. That came out good. And that was easy. And you can do however many little arches you want and then just expand out from it. I love those kinds because then they're easy to grow in an organic sort of a way. All right, you guys have a good day. It is fastly approaching Christmas, like at a rapid pace. And so I'm going to try to keep up with videos so that I can take some time off during the holidays. And then I'll see you guys back in January. But yeah, I'm going to try to keep up with them. But, you know, if there are a few days at the beginning of January, end of December, that I don't post something, it's because I didn't catch up. Just saying. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.